And then here, when new people come in, they get a feel of what your social media is like. What you post on Twitter and such. And as always, like donations. I see a lot of small streamers focus a lot on donations. Well, not focus on it, but it's always like at the top, as in a way of saying, if you need to watch me, you need to support me. Well, they are supporting just by watching. Why do I have business inquiries twice? That makes absolutely no sense. So it might look like a lot. I tried investing as much time possible in this. And in theory, I should probably put this one here and that one there. Because this one is way more relevant than this one. Now this is my goals for 2020. 250 followers.